Hey guys, this is Avocado MuZimba, and today I'm going to be 1v1ing David, but this time we're going to be doing an EARRAPE gameplay. So, let's get started. Okay, here we go. What? I can't remember the wrong thing. Okay, here we go. David, pick your team. Karen Durag. You already know. You can be Eastern classes, but you can't be Western.
You're obviously gonna win with the team you have. See,
Giannis Antetokounmpo.
Huh?
That's his name, Giannis Antetokounmpo.
Who's he?
The guy that was showing on your team. And so I'm always running my brother David the Speedster. That's what he likes to be called. So when he gets his own channel, he'll be known as David the Speedster. Let's go! Alright, we get ball. Curry. Green. You have Curry on your team too, but I have the better Curry.
It doesn't matter. Wait, pause.
Did you see that? His eyes are his deadliest.
Why?
You're recording. People can hear you.
Yes. They can also hear you.
Looks at the rim. That naturally throws the defender off. It makes the defender lean just a little bit. And just that millisecond of you wondering what he's going to do, splash is enough for him to exploit. Sends it away. Don't stare him down like that afterwards. Oh, the touch at the rim. Count. That's lunch pail business right there. Don't worry about the no call. Keep powering through.
Oh man. Chill.
Step for two. That's what you want. His instincts are unnatural, but what makes him so good given the work he's put in? The special thing about Stephen Curry is that his entire life he has practiced great habits. A lot of players practice and get up shots, but they don't practice.
Let's go, Klay Thompson, first out of the game.
Making sure that
We banks it.
But the proper skill with the timing.
Good.
Curry with the basketball. They trail by one. That'll be out of bounds. Last touch by the Warriors. So
It's
position
saying
stay right where it
the
is.
ball when I went to get the ball. Curry.
Hey, box out.
Curry.
His first effort off the mark. Great contest by the D.
Get blocked.
That one's in the 15th row. Huge denial.
You kill people. You're gonna kill in real life if you do that.
No, I don't think anyone's ever died from that.
Good defense. Thompson buries it on the catch and shoot.
All the catch and shoot.
Nice find to set up the three. Curry into the front court. Trailing by 4. Here's a chance for long range. That won't go. Thompson. Oh, he's 3 for 3 to start this game from downtown. Nothing the defense is doing is making him uncomfortable.
dude, the live stream will be your thing.
Just making sure that the accelerated clock was on.
Starting the game, finding my rhythm. Short jumper misses. Woo, I like that intensity on that play.
Oh, George.
In the dirt and do your job on the defensive end. Get back. Jay, you know Steve Kerr wants to see his team play better at home. Make sure they get home court advantage. They slacked off last year. They were 29-12 at home. Now that's a pretty amazing record at home, but let me tell you why they slacked off. The 3 years prior to that combined, they were 114-9.
Why? Why would you do that?
I wanted to.
Don't do that.
Warriors basketball. Steph Curry. Here again, Steph. Giannis with it up top. Right now, down 7. Not loose. Warriors have it. Curry. Steph Curry. 3 for 3. That's a perfect start. And a defense is a
Oh, yeah.
organized personnel and think thoroughly and precisely in real-time moments. That's everything for your transition D. Warriors come up with it. D'Angelo Russell knocks down the 3. This is a game of ways. As a defense, you have to recognize that they come and they go. That will not be the case all the time moving forward. Giannis in control of the basketball. His guys trail by 13. Not loose. Walker. Warriors come away with it.
You should have thought that. That was gonna. Wait, what? What just happened?
He's going to the free throw.
Yo. Like, why?
The defensive players establishing his presence on the court.
I think that's Sean.
He's got 2 shots coming.
Wow, dude.
I saw it. I didn't see.
So he goes 1 for 2 from the line. Fires the 3.
You should comment. What do you think? Let's go. I knew it. Sean, is it eerie? Is it loud? Is this loud? Open shot.
Had made his first couple, but he misses there. George, defended by Steph Curry. Not loose.
Wow. Make sure you like this video.
He's 3 of 4 from downtown to start the game.
Like the video.
For the defensive team, he has fresh legs. That was great lift on that jump shot. Russell off the mark.
Show me something better than that, baby. It's game time. Rebound.
George, those shots today have been few and far between in what has been an uneasy first quarter. And Ed, sometimes that's all you need. Just get 1 or 2 to fall. Find the rhythm.
Wow.
Warriors have it. Let's keep the
Curry. Imagine missing a green.
ball as well. They're essentially unguardable. And Ed, let me tell you what that does for the team. It eventually opens up space to put the ball down on the ground and get to the rim.
Are you enjoying this, Sean? Are you enjoying?
Once a timeout, things have really gotten out of hand.
Comment if so,
The most
or if not.
Let me say it again. The most imperative thing for the team that is down is the first minute of the second quarter. You have to come out and dictate your
Should I keep on doing more of these type of videos?
first quarter, but the second quarter is our quarter. And Steph, he
Comment.
shot with his eyes closed. Wide open, knocks down the 3. I know the refs on the court all the time, but it doesn't mean they can see every play. Maybe defensively.
Yes, I am enjoying the air. Alright, so I'll do more of these in the future.
Controlling the offense. That's how it's done. Everything looks great when you shoot the ball like this. And yes, at this
Should I be louder or is it just fine?
mask and camouflage with the shooting display we're watching.
Who is this?
That out of his range and no good. Has a chance? Yes. Clay Thompson.
South Korean boy. Alright. should I just talk like this?
Everyone saw this one coming, but it looks like they're trying to send a message. Look into their eyes. They're laser focused. They're playing as if this game is tied.
That's loud. Alright. So, like this? Should I just talk like this?
Give the advantage to the shooters. Mike Budenholzer wants a timeout. The wheels are off in this first half. You know, Ed, I'll never forget one of
Is this fine?
we played. We were up by 20 points, and we came back into the huddle, and our head coach said, "No, we are marking this game down 0-0." And if you don't
Okay.
win this game being just that quarter by 20 points, which meant
Yo, how?
40 points.
How? Oh, Kemba
We were
Walker.
going to get broken down the next day in practice. So it's about the game within the game. That's how
Yeah. Yeah, David.
by the Warriors. It stays with Golden State, mixing things up. Hockey line substitutions. Both teams making changes. D'Angelo Russell can't fault the defense. D'Angelo Russell hits. They're shooting the ball.
Yo, 48 to 16. Dude, how do you feel?
Look at their hands. Their hands are ready, providing a target. So when they catch that ball, they go right into their shot. We call that being shot ready.
So, me too.
Yes, D'Angelo Russell. He's now 4 for 6.
Well, I'm not with these characters.
So much of Sam Cassell. He's not the fastest guy, but he gets where he
Yeah,
wants to go
I
anytime.
barely even
Well,
knew
the word that is
this,
key for
but I
him,
never even
potential,
knew
potential,
this
potential. Will he be able to
Only
accomplish his potential?
I
Russell
only
Westbrook
knew
steps
Well,
forward
open your
to
eyes.
Curry.
How do you feel about that?
And Stephen Curry, the fastest release in the NBA, hits the three. And let me tell you,
I am 500 billion in a line.
everyone's getting a piece of the
In
rock.
a what?
Here's
Oh,
Westbrook.
with an enemy fighting 500 billion?
The arc. Oh, he couldn't get it to go.
Wait,
Nice
I thought it
pass
was
to set
billion.
things up. He connects, and all the
Yo, I don't even play enemy fighting super anymore.
and like we've
I've been playing Speed Legends, Muscle Legends, Ninja Legends,
they can put the game to bed in
and Super Power Fighting Simulator. Just saying. We were saying now, I think I was I can't
beyond the arc for three.
feel 500 billion total power.
It's a turnover as they head the other way. Giannis with it up top. They can go 2 for 1 if they hurry. Here's Curry with it up top. He'll run the offense. No good. I just love where this takes you into the psychological battle as a player.
Yo, I've been playing
Or did you just miss it?
Super Power Fighting Simulator. It's like a superhero simulator type game.
As possession stays where it was.
Yeah, that's true. 700k yen. Yeah, I stopped playing Anime Simulator. Like, it took way too long to grind. It was getting annoying. It wasn't fun anymore.
Three. That misses with 3 seconds left.
Why'd you have to restart? Did you lose your account?
Played one for Oracle with the Warriors on top.
Hey.
After this,
Did you forget your old password?
as we get things started here in the second quarter.
Or did your old one get hacked or something? Bro, what does that keep on happening to everybody on Roblox? Yo, I actually blocked him!
Sent a message
Yo, that's crazy.
finishing inside.
That's crazy.
Well, they have such great flow to their offense this evening. The ball isn't sticking to one player individually. It's moving around
Again.
the perimeter, and it's
Hey Sean, when I'm done with this live stream, I need to talk to you. Cause I need your mom's phone number.
the follow. It's good to see Russ go to this point of the game.
Oh!
He only sees the
Did you see his ankles?
easy pass.
Did you see his ankles? Dun dun.
Sometimes less is more.
Uh,
Sometimes it's the best way. To Adetokunbo.
Identical. Yo.
Adetokunbo. Tough shooting. Only 2 for 6 after that made. When the ball's in his hands,
Cause I wanna invite you to my birthday party.
Steph Curry against the former MVP.
Let's go.
Lets it fly from long range.
So like my mom needs to talk to your mom so we can figure something out.
Cauley Stein powers it through. Used to hear all these coaches talk about, we need players to run the floor. No, I don't need you to run the floor. I need you to run the floor with purpose. Those are two different things. When you run the floor in attack mode, that's when plays like this occur. 4-3. Where's the chatter? No one was even close to him. And if a player shot at
No one was even close to him.
defense is caught backpedaling, that's a shot you should shoot every time. Bad pass there. Warriors have it. Keep your foot on the gas. Don't get too
Soon, David, we're gonna get Minecraft, okay? And then me and you, it's like 4 players. 4 people can play on it at a time. And then I'm gonna play with you and my friends, and then we'll do some YouTube videos on it.
from deep in the first half. No good. Great dish to set it up. Stephen Curry with a look. He had all day and all night to knock it down.
He had all day and all night to knock that.
We get a whistle and a timeout as they'll get a minute to regroup and talk things over.
So my birthday is on September 11, but I'm not sure about the party yet. I'm not sure when we're gonna have the party, so I'll tell you.
Curry. He's not shy about shooting it from out there, but he misses this time. Livingston across the timeline. His guys hold a commanding lead. The follow won't go either. Curry.
Oh, how do you feel about that?
Make something happen. Going to launch beyond the arc, and he buries it. Adetokunbo can't connect. From the painted area, won't go down. Giannis in control of the basketball. His guys down big. Warriors come away with it. Here's a chance from long range. Misfires. It's no good.
I don't like Starlit Adventures.
The three, and Paul George nails it from downtown. Not everybody possesses this power, but wow, what court awareness. Livingston to bring it up.
Yo, who is that? Today I'm gonna post another Mbira video. Hey Sean, do you like my Mbira videos? I know Johnny likes them.
Adetokunbo. It's no good. Shots not going down. Joel Embiid. He's 2 for 2 now. As my mother would say to the defender, A for effort, F for results. Knock loose.
And one.
He should get some kind of acting award.
Yeah, I'm gonna post one today. Either the third mode of Kokaiwa or yeah, the third mode of Kokaiwa.
As they continue to widen their lead.
Most likely.
Adi, the reason why I'm losing is because I barely even play with this team.
So you wanna switch teams?
See you with the footwork.
Wait, let's see. Sean, should David switch teams? He wants to switch teams. Should I let him switch teams?
And he knocks it down. Probing the defense. Westbrook is good. We get a whistle and a timeout by Golden State as they'll talk things over here in the second quarter. And one of the best kept secrets.
What? What do you mean?
Like, I literally shot it.
The eyes are already fixated on the rim, almost serving as a headband.
Alright, Sean said we can switch teams. Also, if you guys wanna follow me on Roblox, my username is Avocado MuZimba. All caps, no spaces. Avocado MuZimba, all caps, no spaces. On Roblox.
Hey, you said no one can be with.
I said we can both be with if you want to.
fine. No, I want black.
Okay. Alright, so I am white and David is black. I am black. I am black. Excuse me.
Let's do it.
I'm on D. I'm on D.
To Harden from long range. And James Harden, well defended, still gets it to go down.
That shot was nice.
Kyrie
But
Irving,
that
how
pass,
good.
that was the real highlight. Good teams always find a way to get the best shot available.
Huh? No, video plus 2. I wonder how this is gonna sound after I rewatch it.
Irving won't go down. Leonard, his first effort off the mark. And a putback slam.
Yo, Sean, did you know that LeBron James' oldest son, he's in the FaZe clan? Like, he just joined FaZe a couple days ago.
Yes, tough shot. It's gonna go up to go in. The challenge defending a guy who can be a 1 or a 2.
We're not old men talking about this game. We don't define players by positions anymore. Is he a 1 or is he a 2? No, he's James Harden. He's a scorer and an elite passer.
James, and he can't get it to go down. It's no good. To Durant. Nice pass to set things up.
That's lunch pail business right there. Don't worry about the no call. Keep powering through.
Oh, Sean, did you see my dribbling video? My dribbling video and my shooting form video?
Do something. Get yourself emotionally involved in the game.
Irving brings the ball up court. Now slams it home on the
James Harden.
A lot of people, it's an oxymoron when you hear the word superstar in the phrase doing all the little things, but that's what the great ones do.
to James. Lets it fly from beyond the arc. Rebounds taken down by Leonard. Knocked loose. That's a turnover. It goes the other way. Gets a look.
How do you feel?
You just stole it. It was
It's an
about
8-point
to
lead.
go in.
4-3.
No.
It
Knocked
was.
loose. That's off of Leonard. Out of bounds.
I still feel shadows in my room.
LeBron into the front court. Down 8. Here's a chance from long range. And it's Leonard there to clear the rebound.
Do you
Into the
see
front
that?
court. Looking to make something happen. Tough shot. He hits.
I mean, does he have eyes in his head or what? I get paid game daily. Even I didn't see that end.
Jay, they've been waiting for that to go down, but here they are trying to chip away and cut it to this margin.
And there's nothing more frustrating as a shooter to get open looks and not see the ball go in. But if they do, that could be the start of a problem.
To Harden. Trying to cash in. Harden shot won't go down. Going to launch beyond the arc.
Harden is one of the greatest at shooting off of a step back or a fadeaway.
And defensively, you have to stay in these guys' pocket. Force him to be a driver rather than a shooter.
LeBron James. He's now 4 for 6.
LeBron James.
So many voices, even that of the great Shaquille O'Neal, talking about how LBJ needed to submit his own legacy. Or for LeBron, it's not about chasing external accolades. It's about hunting your own legacy, and that's to be the greatest of all time.
And Kawhi Leonard. Good on the quick release there.
This is a game of ways. As a defense, you have to recognize that they come and they go. That will not be the case all the time moving forward.
Now, moment to talk things over. Both teams tweaking their lineups. Here comes some changes.
Yo. That was too much. That was too much. He got bullied. Oh, who's watching now? Please comment if you like this live stream or just comment who you are in the live stream. In the live chat. Yes sir. Who's watching this live stream right now? I know it's Sean and who else? Bread. What? Chicken. Open the door, dude.
Let's keep the crowd in. And made his first three, but that shot off the mark.
Yo, how did it feel? Yes. Alright,
I didn't bring a live stream and then it's here
no, that's the title of the video.
Fixated on the rim, almost serving as a head fake. When you're able to throw the defense off like that, throw them. Oh, he just blocked that shot out of bounds. Okay, they're lucky they get the ball back.
Don't move.
Thompson. Knocked loose. That's a turnover.
Wait, I want to load.
In the front court.
Oh, my chicken.
Did you fish?
Wow.
Fish?
Thompson.
Oh, did you also buy fish?
For three. Those shots today have been few and far
Mommy, did you also
between.
buy
Alright, we're concluding.
Easy first quarter, and that's sometimes that's all you need. Just get one.
They said tomorrow.
Find the rhythm, find the rhyme. You got plenty of time.
Here's Irving.
Yes, man.
Down a bundle. Fires
Kobe.
three. Those shots today have been few and far between in what has been an uneasy first quarter.
And Ed, sometimes that's all you need. Just get one or two to fall. Find the rhythm, find the rhyme. You got plenty of time.
It's James controlling the offense. Lets it fly from long range. Message received. Well defended. Lillard. D has got it. Damian Lillard missed his first. That one goes.
Well, they're shooting the ball at an amazing clip. And when they shoot the ball this well, they're essentially unguardable. And Ed, let me tell you what that does for the team. It eventually opens up space to put the ball down on the ground.
LeBron James is one of the craziest dunkers.
The three-point shot is.
Simmons with it. His guys down big. Knocked loose. Out of bounds. Off Ben Simmons. Opposing coach is going to counter. Make some changes of his own. Knocked loose. Shot by Simmons won't go down. From long range, not a good shot there as he misses it. Simmons, that's not his range. It's no good.
Cinnamon Crunch.
No good. Nice follow-up on the dunk.
He's a good dunker,
I
though.
don't think anyone saw this one coming. But it looks like they're trying to send a message. Look into their eyes. They're laser focused. They're playing as if this game is tied.
I like chicken. 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 Chicken.
Deep three.
Green.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
Tell them
Yes,
about
sir.
the video that I watched.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please say no to EARRAPE.
Alright.
And also,
Unfortunately, thank you for watching, but that is the end of this live stream. Shout out to my boy Sean, OPS Sweater. He has a YouTube channel. Sean, is there anything you'd like to say before we end this live stream?
You have 10 seconds, Sean. Is there anything you'd like to say before? Okay. Sean has spoken his piece. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you like, share, subscribed. And if we get to 10 likes on this video, I will do another one of this ear rape thing. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.